Hi fellow crafters, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy if you're new, and I invite you to subscribe and check out my channel. We have a lot of fun here making tutorials on junk journals and using your Cricut die cutting machine. I'm sitting out here on my deck today enjoying this amazing weather. Today's video I'm going to share with you my 5 favorite things that I purchased at Ikea that are great for organization in your craft room or anywhere else in your home. So let's jump into the video. These Alex drawers from Ikea are one of my favorite things. They are 14 inches wide, and what I really love about them is a lot of drawers, when you go to put stuff in it, you can stack things up high, but then the drawer won't close. And these, you can stack quite a bit in here and it'll still close. So that's one of the things I really like about them. Plus, it opens almost all the way to the back, so you can very easily reach the items in the back. And I keep my stamps in here. I also keep all my glues and adhesives and things like that. And I have a few stamps in that drawer. And then in this one, I have a lot of my different Mod Podge and matte medium and gesso and things like that. And then my stamps and punches. So it holds a lot of stuff. I have my stencils. I have more stamps down here. And then down here, I have my glue guns, glue sticks, and my alcohol inks and things like that. So they really hold a lot of stuff. They look great. The drawers open and close very easily, and they're really deep as well. Another one of my favorite things from Ikea is this pegboard, and I really love all the accessories that come with it. So you have shelves, and those hold all of my paints and ink sprays. You have this paper towel holder. These are elastic, and I'll show you that in a minute. So you can, it's like I have my Cricut card stuffed behind there. And then you have all these hooks, and I hang all my different Cricut tools and brayers. And then you have a lot of these little cups that you can put. I have my colored pencils in there, and then these are little pull-out clear plastic containers, and they have a little lid on them. I'll show you these over here. So here I have this one here. I have that glitter snow in there, and these pull out. You can take them off. You can pull, like I can pull this down if I'm working with my pencils. And then here's the elastics that I was telling you about. So the pegboard is another one of my favorites. Another one of my favorite organization things from Ikea is this rod system with these different buckets and containers. And they have the hooks that come with them. And this was in the kitchen section, I'm pretty sure. But I have my paint brushes, some of my markers, my gel pens, Sharpies, things like that. And then up in this bigger one, I have, just some cutting mats, just papers, things like that. My stamping platform. So this to me, it's right next to my desk. I can grab and go whatever I need, and I can change these around if I want to, and reorganize them. And same with the pegboard. Once you got your pegboard set up and you realize, hey, maybe I need to put different stuff there, it's very easy to reconfigure both of these, the pegboard and these buckets over here. One of my favorite things from Ikea are these little wooden, I think they're originally for spice racks, but I love using them. I put my Dilutions paints on here. I can see their colors and reach and grab them easily. And then over here I have some glitter and then just some other little items down here. So these shelves, They look nice and they're very functional. One of my other favorite things from IKEA are these plastic garbage bag recycle holders, and they are great for holding my Cricut vinyl and my Cricut iron-on. It can hold a lot. And I like that I can hang them up on the wall. They're out of the way. I can still see what I have very easily. And here is one other bonus item that I really like. These plastic containers. They have handles on each side. They're kind of a gray on the inside and white on the outside. And they hold so much. So I put a lot of my ephemera for my journals in here, and it holds them so nicely. Well, let me know if you've purchased any of those items from IKEA, or if not, if you had a favorite of the ones I showed you, including the bonus one that I showed at the end. Again, thank you all so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. Also, make sure you check out my Etsy shop, my Facebook and Instagram pages as well. I'd love for you to share the things you're making and tag me over on Instagram or Facebook. And I now have Buy Me a Coffee. If you want to support my YouTube channel by buying me a cup of coffee, that would be great too. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Love ya.